Hello! We are outside. So today is my birthday. I am turning 12. And yeah, it is about 11:11. Let's see. So we're outside having some bratwurst. My mom's making that. And I'm sitting here doing this. Oh my god. It's my birthday. We were gonna plan on going to the beach, but oh well. We're doing this instead. And yeah. Mom, I don't have any ideas. I need ideas for a video. Oh my god. I turned into a submarine or... Oh god. Hang on. Broke. My god. Bye, people.